Hi people, just a quick video how to test health of your car battery so it doesn't catch you on a surprise using one of these. They are very cheap and always worth to have it for testing and knowing what is the state of your battery. I'll show you how it's done. So the test is pretty simple. You connect this device minus to minus, plus to plus. If you connect it wrong, there is internal comeback protection. This is a King Bolen tool, and all you need to do to run the test is to enter two parameters. First parameter is your battery's nominal voltage. Most of car batteries have 12-volt battery, even hybrids, even electric cars have additional conventional battery that runs on 12 volts. And I'll show you now. So as I say, most cars have 12 volts battery. There are some old motorcycles that can run on 6 volts and trucks maybe on 24 volts, but we're testing car battery. So by selecting, pressing up and down, we select the voltage, which is 12. One moment, yeah, then we press OK. And the second parameter we need to enter is the CCA parameter. CCA means cold crank amperes, so it's the power of the current from cold. So you best to perform this test on a cold battery, cold engine, when car has been stood for some time. So quite often CCA is states on battery itself. In my case, have a look on my battery. I have 2 ampere values. We have 420 DIN and 700 EN SAE GS. DIN is Deutsche something, so basically it's a German test performed under harsher conditions. That's why it's more conservative number. We don't go with that because it's a German car, but the more universal standard is European norm. SAE is American, GS probably general something, so we go with 700. So we enter 700, just increase it by pressing the button up. So we select 700 and press the green button and let it run the test. Measure its parameters. So we have CCA 725, which is higher than normal, which is good. Then we have SOH is state of health 100%, good as new. 98% state of charge, so it's charged for 98%. This is the internal resistance, 389 milliohms, the lower the better, so it's better charging. And then 12.8 volts is the current charge of the battery. Forgot to mention, it's okay to test it on the car unless you have some external devices connected additionally to the battery. If you don't want to get involved with all these numbers, this battery tester, as you see on the bottom of the screen, it shows good. So it has three options. It has good, which is good, normal is normal, keep using, or poor, battery needs to be replaced. So if you don't want to deal with the numbers, just go by this battery is good. Link in the description.